Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you where did the option of 3D maps go in Excel. So if you remember in earlier version of Excel, I guess in Microsoft Excel 2019, the option used to be in the insert section here. So when you go to insert, you would see the option of 3D maps in the towards section here on the right hand side. But now what has happened, I want to add this data to 3D map, and I was really struggling this morning in class when I was teaching when I was teaching 3D maps, because when I added the add-in from here. So if you notice, I go to add-ins, add-ins, go, the Power Map is already installed, but I don't see it here as usual. So what has happened in the newer version is that the 3D maps is not available in the insert section anymore. You can find it in the data model, and then 3D map. So this is where you will have to go to insert the map. Um, it won't work as usual in the earlier one. So you can open it from here and it is supposed to be working.